We're seeing a lot of problems with customers machining new materials around HRSAs. Tool breakage, tool life is a big one. That's been a kind of a recurring theme about tool life this year.
Yeah.
And so we've started to shift our focus a little more around those types of materials.
Hi, I'm Steve Plum, Editor-in-Chief of SME Media. We're in Greenville at the Manufacturing Technology Series Southeast with Eric Gerringer, Technical Director of Ceratizit.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us and your booth here. First of all, how's the show going for you?
It's going great. It's going great. So this year we've actually had the opportunity to speak with some customers about specific problems. Always love that as an engineer. You know, give me a problem so we can solve it.
Yeah.
I think that's what we thrive on.
What are some of the common things that they're asking about?
So we're seeing a lot of problems with customers machining new materials around HRSAs. Tool breakage, tool life is a big one. That's been a kind of a recurring theme about tool life this year.
Yeah.
And so we've started to shift our focus a little more around those types of materials.
So tell us what we're looking at now.
Yeah, so this year, lots of new product introductions for us, so we're excited about that, of course. But a few things that I want to highlight is one of them, a new solid carbide end mill. We call it the Monster S. So in super alloys, of course. So this was developed, actually the development started here in the US. And then the team in Europe took it and I'll say tweaked it a little bit. And so this was just released a few weeks ago at EMA.
Okay.
So this tool was made specifically for heat-resistant superalloys, titanium, Rene, Inconel, those types of materials for tricoidal, high-feed milling.
So aerospace and defense applications?
Aerospace and defense applications, yes, sir. So typically you're going to see with this tool over our previous tools, 10 to 15% improvement in tool life. So we're really excited about that because it's given us opportunities to see customers.
What are some of the big trends that you're seeing in the industry as we move into the new year? I mean, obviously a lot of new technology, workforce shortages, automation.
Yeah, so I think a big one right now on everybody's top of their list is the price of carbide. You know, we're talking about major price increases for tungsten. Automation, of course, I think as we start to try to insource things back to the U.S. market again, you know, automation is becoming more and more another industry that's really super strong is aerospace, with rockets, with Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, SpaceX. We're doing really well with those customers, especially these types of tools.
So as pricing pressures increase, how important is it for new tools like this to improve efficiency?
Tremendous. So, and one of the things that's so, I'll say, unique about this tool is it's made from recycled materials. So it's over 90% recycled materials. And that's something that Ceratizit works towards, controlling the whole chain, and also the really big push, not just the talk, but the action of using recycled materials in our products.
Well, I know
so
that's
sustainable.
I know that's a big issue for Ceratizit, you know, especially in Europe. Are you seeing a lot more of that come to the U.S.?
Yes. So as we start to, I'll say, grow our presence in the U.S., it's, of course, I'd say, especially with the larger customers, it's top of mind. You know, the sustainability factor. I think even as we grow our share in the U.S., we'll see it become even bigger and bigger a factor for us.
Well, I know there has been a push to increase your presence in the U.S. How's that been going over the last year?
I would say well, but slow. So a lot of, as you can imagine, a lot of pressures within the industry from tariffs and competitors. There's a lot of good competitors out there, but we're having a successful year, so we're happy about that, of course. But we'd always like to grow faster.
Great. Anything else you'd like to highlight at the booth?
Yeah, I mean, so this year we took a little different approach. Our approach has been more in the past to really highlight kind of the things we're comfortable with. And over 90%, 80% of these products this year are all new products.
Wow.
So whole new milling families, new solid carbide drills, again, higher performance than the previous generation, more options. And I'm really proud of this cutter here. So this is a fully printed cutter that we've introduced specifically for titanium machining. It can be used for other HRSAs as well, but it actually has through coolant and will actually provide coolant to the back of the cutting edge to help with flank wear, especially in those demanding defense applications.
All right, well, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.